Hey beautiful, welcome back to another Sunday reset. In this video we're going to be doing lots of cleaning, cooking, grocery restocking, a mini bedroom refresh, and of course some self-care. I hope this video helps you feel more prepared and confident as you enter the new week, gets your mind focused on your most important priorities, and helps reduce stress as you tackle your Sunday to-do list. This Sunday morning, I was riding solo and I just went ahead and went downstairs and got the kids' breakfast ready. Normally, if I'm solo, they're not eating anything lavish. It's just enough in order for them to get through the church service. And I normally just have them eat in their PJs and get them ready after they have eaten. While they're having their breakfast, this honestly gives me time to set out each child's clothing and go ahead and set out some clothing for myself and get dressed. Sunday mornings can sometimes be very hectic for my family because we're all rushing to church and I'm trying to get all my little ones ready. I have a 5, 3, and 1-year-old. So I try to wake up as early as I can to have as slow of a morning as I can. But sometimes it doesn't work like that, but today it just did. After church, I traded places with hubby and went to get my lashes done. I love getting my lashes done. It's one of those self-care things that I try to do religiously. I can and know how to put on my own at-home lash extensions, but this is just something I do for myself because I really enjoy it. I just close my eyes, take a nap, or listen to a podcast, and it's just a time for me to relax and close my mind off to the world. And plus, the way they make me look after is just an added bonus to my confidence and self-esteem. So this Sunday, I was in a mood for some shrimp. I just really wanted some shrimp. And there's a favorite meal that I love to make is Cajun shrimp pasta. It's not really too Cajun because of the kids they do eat in this pasta, but I just had to have it. And of course, I saw the flowers. You guys know I'm a flower girl. So I did grab some flowers. And I think Publix just has the most beautiful flowers and the most beautiful arrangements. And I just love it. And then went ahead and headed to Target for a Target pickup. I always do all my grocery restocking on Sundays. It's just easier for me by Sunday. The fridge is empty. Like literally it's just empty. So that's why it's always best for me to just get it done on Sundays. I haven't been doing a great job with ensuring the carpet upstairs remains clean. I kind of just vacuum whenever I think it needs it. But now I think I'm just going to incorporate vacuuming upstairs at least once a week and add it to my Sunday to-do list. I had told my husband it would have been a good idea to keep a vacuum upstairs because we already have one downstairs, so I wouldn't have to lug this one up the stairs all the time. And I thought it was a great idea. Let me know if you have a 2-story home, if you have a vacuum upstairs, or if you just lug the current one everywhere you go.
Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hot. Sometimes everything just gets hotter. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what it.
Okay girl, it's time for the bedroom refresh. I had kind of wanted to refresh my bedroom for a very long time. My bedroom is not even finished being decorated, but we was gonna start off with the bed. I was eyeing this Casaluna comfort set linen blend for the longest. Finally picked it up, picked up some fresh new white sheets from Walmart and an extra firm pillow for my husband because he was complaining, girl, that his pillow was not working out. I was like, okay, got him another pillow. And I love having white sheets. I don't know, it just just contrasts everything so well, plus it's easy to know when it's dirty. So I have recently transitioned all my sheets to white, all my towels to white, and white just feels so fresh and so clean. And the Casa Luna comfort set is actually a creamish color or beige, a very, very light beige, but it kind of looks white on screen. But I love this. The comforter I had before was a dark gray tone. I don't know, the gray just felt so masculine to me. It just was giving a lot of masculine vibes, and I kind of wanted to brighten and soften up the room a little bit, so I decided to start off with the sheets. This one just makes the room feel more and more inviting. If you know anything about the Casa Luna brand at Target, you know they make some nice items. And I really love this comforter. It is so comfortable. My husband said after the first night of sleeping under it that it just felt like he was at a hotel. My only issue with it is just that it's so wrinkly. And I tried to steam it a couple of times and it gets less wrinkly when you steam it. So I do steam it once a week when it comes out of the dryer, because my dryer is not large enough to get all the wrinkles out. Steaming it once a week just works for me to get as much of the wrinkles out. But yes, it's just giving. Let me know what you think. I think it's just such a great base in order to like decorate, like a nice base layer to like start throwing throw pillows on or throw blankets on. I just think it's a really cute base, way better than the gray in my opinion. So this Sunday, I didn't have that much laundry to do. I just only honestly had this bin. I'm so proud of myself because I've been actually doing laundry as I go throughout the week. Even when I fall off, I just get back on the wagon. So most of the time, it doesn't take me all of my Sunday to get through the laundry, and I like this much better. So it's dinner time, and while I was getting my lashes done, I was feeling some Cajun pasta with some shrimp. So it's very, very easy to make this pasta. You just need some penne pasta, any Alfredo pre-made sauce that you really like, a green pepper, bell pepper, onions, Old Bay seasoning, and complete seasoning. You could also add some red pepper flakes to make it more Cajun. I don't, because I kind of used to just add a light layer, then the kids would be like, oh my god, hot, 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 spicy. But that will make it a lot more Cajun. But for sure, the Old Bay and the complete seasoning, I put complete seasoning on everything. Who gonna tell me not to? Who? But that's all you need. So this Sunday, I was just multitasking while the penne pasta was boiling. I decided to just clean up downstairs as much as possible and add my Publix flowers. They're so pretty. And just something about adding flowers, just, oh, chef's kiss.
Show me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you call me to my yard, uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm not. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
I like to get my shrimp already peeled, the vine and tail cut off because I am one lazy, okay, but I couldn't find any at Publix, so I had to do it myself. But okay, let me show you how to make the easiest pasta in the world. I do not do my pasta sauce from scratch. I probably should, but that wouldn't make it easy, would it? I don't know, whatever. I'll try that one day. But take your green pepper and your red pepper, and you could do yellow pepper too. I just feel like that's a lot of peppers, but yellow pepper just tastes so good. But take those peppers, cut them up diagonal. Don't dice it. You want it diagonal because you want to like kind of taste it in the food and see it, because I feel like it makes the pasta like really colorful. So cut it that way, and in the skillet, first add your garlic, because I add garlic to everything. Like, who doesn't like garlic? Add the garlic, add the peppers, add the onions, and let them cook for a little bit, because if you don't let them cook for a little bit, I learned the hard way, they're really hard in the pasta. Nobody likes that, but don't let them cook for too long. After you do that and they soften just a tiny bit, add the frozen shrimp. Did I have cooked shrimp or frozen shrimp? I don't know. I just be getting any shrimp that's easy to make. I think this day I had cooked shrimp, but add the shrimp after the fact, because if you add the shrimp too early, it'll be overcooked, because the peppers and the onions take a little bit to soften. It takes some time. So I like to season my vegetables. I put both the complete and the Old Bay seasoning on my vegetables because I like the vegetables to taste good. See how me and hubby are matching? Yes. So that's the trick before you add your spices, and add your spices to taste. Then add your pre-made Alfredo pasta sauce. The trick is after you pour the sauce into the skillet, add like half a cup of water in the jar, shake it up, and pour it into the skillet with the vegetables and the shrimp, because it's gonna dilute the sauce a little bit and have it taste less like a store brand, pasta sauce. And also another trick I learned actually recently is to add the Mrs. Dash, I think, the salt-free one, and it has like all the other spices just without the salt, and it will have it tasting less like store-bought pasta sauce.
I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Okay, it's finally time to wind down. I'm drinking some white Zinfandel from Sutter Home and taking a bath, a much needed bath. It's been a long day and just need to unwind. So today I'm only using 2 products, the Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Soothe and Sleep Lavender, and this June and Moon I found at Target. It's the scent champagne with aloe and vitamin E bubbling bath fizz for my bubble bath portion. And it actually does fizz a lot. It smells so good. Of course, I love my Epsom salt from Dr. Teal's, but this June and Moon adds the perfect touch to the bath water, and I'm here for it. So one of my new things is turning off the lights in the bathroom and just setting the mood with the candle and getting in the bath. Oh my God, it just feels so good, and it's the bubbles for me. So just reading a couple of pages in my self-care journal, and I didn't really write anything this night. I also sometimes like to watch a movie while I'm in the bath, or I just watch some YouTube. Tonight I just watched some YouTube and just let the stress and just the day melt away. Thank you so much for spending your Sunday with me and resetting with me. I really hope you got to tackle everything on your to-do list, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.